Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we're going to be talking about marketing. So over the last year and a half, we have built out our API and our admin tool and our courses just recently, and then we created a giveaway. So that giveaway has now actually completed, and we have 754 people to begin marketing. So then the question becomes, okay, we have our email list, we have our courses, we have our JumpStart, we have our API. How do we bring them together to actually get our first sale? Well, with a little bit of research, we discovered ConvertKit. And you go, okay, well, what does ConvertKit do? What we needed was the ability to automate a series of emails. So if you think about it, we have our giveaway emails, which are reminders to continue to sign up and reminders for the last day. And we need to send out an email blast announcing the winners and a prize that we could give to everybody. And in our case, what we did is we gave them a free coupon to our JumpStart course. But that wasn't the only thing that we needed. We also needed to send a series of emails along with our courses. And what we did is we rotated back and forth between a motivational email and an informational email. And then we set it up to send on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so we aren't going to overwhelm them, but keep them engaged. We also needed the ability to understand when a customer signed up for the JumpStart or one of the courses, and that automatically trigger a sequence of emails. What is the desired result? So what we're hoping for is with our 754 emails to add them into an email sequence which will introduce ourselves and then ask for the purchase. And how the numbers work out, if we get one sale per giveaway cycle, that will give us the ability to maintain the marketing program. Because if you figure that ConvertKit is $49 a month, Teachable is $29 a month, we're offering a $100 giveaway prize twice a month and shipping. When we sell our class for $149, that's actually a break-even scenario. So then you got to ask your question, why would we set things up to just break even? Well, the ultimate goal isn't to sell classes. It is to have people sign up for the API, which is recurring income. So everything that we're doing from the giveaway to the JumpStart to the courses is leading to the recurring income of the API sale. So I know you're asking that one burning question, is this going to work? Well, that's exactly what we're trying. We have set up the whole infrastructure for this marketing concept to see if first we can become self-sustaining and then slowly but surely build momentum. So stay tuned, and remember, keep your head in the clouds.